Xcube i9 Manual Guide. Freeze, print, and Cine. Freeze an image. At freeze, the trackball is activated and will scroll the frames as the trackball rolls. Write set key activation will allow edit start or edit end of the Cine. Print 1 is most commonly a single frame save. Print 2 is most commonly Cine save. To set the print button, enter the system preset. User setting. Print foot switch tap. Select print button. Image type and printer. Cine Soft Menu Controls. Soft Menu Cine Controls, page 1. At freeze, open the Cine Soft menu using Central Soft key. Use the left and right keys to move between page 1 and 2 of Cine Soft menu. Cine Soft menu. Rate controls Cine playback speed. Move first frame or move last frame takes you to the first or last frame. Select all frame will be explained on page 2 section. Frame by frame, allow each frame to be displayed to help capture a single frame image. Run, stop to play the Cine and stop at a specific frame if desired. Soft Menu Cine Controls, page 2. Edit Start Frame, allows to select a new start frame. Edit End Frame, changes the last frame for a new Cine. If start or end is modified, select all frames, restores the original clip as long as it's the original frozen image.